In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the next feature, the move and copy. But before going to that feature, I just want to add one note to the previous tutorial. We could delete the splitted part, but you still able to get them back. If you look here, we have delete body 2, delete body 3. So if you right click delete, so you will undo with that process. If you make here delete, yes, so you are undo with that process, so you have that part again. So let's just delete this part, the feature delete body post extrude. So now let's try to activate the next feature, the move and copy. So here we have feature, move and copy. You have to set for moving. You have to enter the values manually to be more accurate, or just free movement. And in the copy, if you check the copy, will create copy of that body, so you'll make two bodies. So now let's select the body we want to move or rotate. So as you know, we split that body, so this is nice feature, the split, so you are able to rotate that part. So let's rotate that part, and here can move it. When you are done, click OK. So here you could move it, but you couldn't rotate it because it has some kind of relational with that body. But now you are able to separate it, move it there. So let's try to move it further. Insert feature, move, select that body. So let's try to move that side. Okay, and here you have it in a different place. So now let's try to rotate them. Insert feature, move and copy, select this part. Let's try to rotate it in that direction, and then when you're done, click OK. So from one part to two different directions parts.